In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage notifications in Meta Business Suite. Start by making sure you are already logged in to your Meta Business Suite account. From there, open the Home dashboard. This is the main area where you can view updates and access the tools for your business account. Next, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click Notifications. This section brings together recent activity related to your business, so you can stay up to date in one place. Once the notifications page opens, review your recent business notifications. These can include updates from your Facebook page, your Instagram account, new comments, incoming messages, or account-related alerts. Take a moment to scan through the list so you can see what needs your attention. If you want to learn more about a specific alert, click on that notification. This opens the details and helps you understand what action may be needed. For example, you may need to review a new comment, reply to a message, or check an update related to your account. After you finish the action connected to that notification, return to the Notifications page. This allows you to continue reviewing other alerts and keep your inbox organized. If notification settings are available in your version of Meta Business Suite, click the Settings icon, which usually appears as a gear. This area lets you manage how and when you receive alerts for different kinds of activity. Inside the Settings area, choose the notification types you want to receive. You may see options related to comments, messages, account activity, reminders, or other business updates. Select the ones that match your needs, so you only receive the alerts that matter most to you. When you are done, save your notification preferences. This is an important step because your changes will not apply until they are saved. After saving, return once again to the Notifications page. Check that your preferences have been updated correctly. This helps confirm that the notification settings now match what you selected. Managing notifications in Meta Business Suite is a simple way to stay informed while keeping your workflow focused. By checking alerts regularly and adjusting your preferences, you can respond faster to important activity and reduce unnecessary distractions. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.